Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about bringing you the best in beauty. If you're tired of mascara that doesn't live up to the hype, clumping, flaking, or smudging, then stick around. Today, we're talking about a game changer that promises to give you fuller, more dramatic lashes without the mess. The L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara and Voluminous Original Volume Building Waterproof Mascara. These mascaras claim to give you voluminous lashes, up to 4 times fuller without clumping, flaking, or smudging. So, is this duo the answer to your lash prayers? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice about these mascaras is the sleek, feminine packaging. Definitely a staple in your beauty bag. But it's not just the look that makes these products stand out. L'Oréal promises a voluminous, dramatic lash effect thanks to their unique formula. One mascara delivers volume and length, while the other builds serious drama without the dreaded clumps. Both are waterproof, meaning you can trust them to last through sweat, tears, and even a full day out. I tested both formulas, and here's how they performed in real-world scenarios. First, I tried the Voluminous Lash Paradise on a regular day. It glides on smoothly, thanks to the soft, plush brush that helps coat every lash. The formula is thick enough to provide volume, but doesn't get sticky or clumpy. I noticed that my lashes were lifted and defined, and there was a noticeable increase in both volume and length. Plus, even after several hours, no smudging or flaking. For a mascara that's waterproof, that's a big win. Then I used the Voluminous Original Volume Building Waterproof Mascara, which gives you a more dramatic look. The brush is slightly different, more traditional but still effective for coating each lash. This one gave me an even bolder look, making my lashes stand out without weighing them down. Both formulas made my lashes feel soft and fluttery, not stiff or crunchy. But I have to mention, removal isn't as easy as you might think. These mascaras are definitely long-lasting, but you will need a waterproof eye makeup remover to get them off thoroughly. It's not a deal breaker, but if you don't have a good remover on hand, it can be a little annoying. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the volume and length these mascaras provide are impressive. You can see the difference in your lashes almost immediately. The waterproof formula is great for all-day wear, and the fact that your lashes don't feel hard or brittle is a bonus. The packaging is also nice and practical, making application easy. On the downside though, the removal process could be more user-friendly. You'll definitely need a good eye makeup remover, or you risk leaving behind some product. And while both mascaras are fantastic for volume, if you're looking for something more natural and subtle, this might not be the right choice. Is this duo worth the price? For me, yes. While there are cheaper mascaras on the market, the performance you get with L'Oréal Paris Voluminous is top-notch. You're paying for a mascara that not only holds up throughout the day, but also provides volume and length without compromise. If you're on the hunt for an alternative, there are definitely some solid contenders in the drugstore, like Maybelline's Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara, which offers similar volume and length, but at a slightly lower price. However, the formula isn't quite as luxurious as this one, so it's a matter of personal preference. When it comes to build quality, both mascaras are packaged in sturdy tubes that feel high-end for the price. And I love that the brush design is easy to work with, no matter the shape of your lashes. So, does it live up to the claims? Absolutely. If you're after bold, voluminous lashes that stay put, the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara and Voluminous Original Volume Building Waterproof Mascara are definitely worth trying. They're great for anyone who needs long-lasting, dramatic lashes. If you've tried either of these mascaras, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're a fan or if there's something else that's worked better for you. And as always, the link to purchase is down in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.